Hello all. So I got done installing this mini split, and now I got finished up, and I'm gonna put a line set cover over it and get all these electrical lines in. So I went and bought a line set cover kit, and for most people, they'll just have to run straight down the wall, which will pretty much be the same. For me, I'm gonna have to do a couple more bends here, so mine's a little bit more involved, but the same steps will apply however you're doing it, if you're going straight down or if you're going sideways. So for me, the first thing I did is I kind of just leveled it up on the top using a level, so it's pretty much straight. And I also leveled it going this way, coming down. And next step is I got to take this water line as communication wire. I need to take it and tape it all up and roll it all up all the way down. But this is the line set cover kit I bought. In the past, I bought the Pioneer ones, but I don't think they had enough turns for me, so it's pretty much the same. I'll put the links down in the description for what I'm doing here. But let me go and open this up for a minute, and I'll show you what I got. Okay, so this is what I got here, and it's got a bunch of straights. I got a couple, and I got like 190 and like a different type of 90 there. And this will be the cover at the very end. And they got different types of kits and different kinds of brands, but they all kind of pretty much the same. They'll have like 2.5 inch wide or 3 inch wide. I got the 3 inch wide one, so I got more space to move things around in there. Even though 2.5 inch will also work just as good. But that's what I bought here. And you're also going to need a drill, and while they probably include some screws, they're never long enough, it doesn't seem like. So I got some extra little wood screws here. They got to go through stucco. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up. I got to put this water line on and run that electrical line and tape it up. I'm going to do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the electrical line and water line run and taped up where I need it to go. And I also put a little caulking around the inlet right there. It's probably not necessary, but just a little extra. So this here brackets, the way they work is they basically just slide together. So this piece right here will come off. And this side needs to be screwed in first. If you see these two holes, that'll be screwed onto the wall. And then once you get it up there and over the line set, this snaps together. Two sides of this, they look like this. They're just long pieces, and you take one out and you snap it together, and then they just fit together like this. It's hard to do with one hand, but they basically just go like this. So you got to run them all the way around and kind of measure them up. So first step is I need to take this and measure out and go like this on the side. This is the only screws this package came with, so definitely have some wood screws, different size. I got some different size ones here. So I'm gonna start off smaller with these smaller 2-inch screws and see if I can't grab some. I got to go through this stucco. It shouldn't be too big a deal. I got some 2.5 ones too if I need to. But so that's basically the first part. I'm gonna go and try that, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got my first bracket up there, and I just stuck it on there. I leveled it before I screwed it on. There's 3 screws that go around it. And now I'm just going to stick this in here. 1/2 of one of these. And I'm at the measure down here and put a bracket. There's 1/2 of these that's flatter than the other half. And it's the side you want to push back here. So I'm going to go ahead and measure this up and screw a bracket in, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got this screwed in. 1 screw and another screw right there. It sticks in right there on that side. Got it level so that I made sure it was level. And so now I'm going to continue on, and I got this top cap. It snaps on a place right here, which I guess I could put on. These just got little notches where they snap into place. So I'm going to use 2 hands to do this, but basically just snap on. Okay, so I got that outside snapped on. Hopefully you can see that right there. They just snap on. There's a thing snaps on there, snaps on down here, like I showed you earlier. That's basically up there. Got that little bracket to go on here as soon as I figure out this curve, which I might have to cut one of these. I'm not sure yet. I'm going to take a look. But I'm going to go and continue on, and I'll be right back. I got this up there, and I do have to cut a little piece. So I cut these little pieces. So I measured it off. I needed 7 inches. So I cut it with the hacksaw. And so I'm going to go and put it up there, and I'll be back. Okay, so I got that up there. I'm going to go ahead and slap on a cap here, this, and continue down here. So I'm starting down here and just leveling it up as I go. Okay, so that's it. I finished it up. Just put the last one in, and basically just made sure it was all level going across and down the sides here. It's not too difficult. Take your time, but that's basically it. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.